Well, hello there. So, you fancy flying a drone, do you? Well, of course then, drones haven't got a very good reputation at the moment, so you might be spending a lot of money for something that, I don't know, could be banned. And all these new powers of police are getting the Gatwick effect. I might not even like a drone when I get one. Have I got the ability to actually fly one of these things? How complicated are they? Well, so what would be a good way of starting? My estimation, a good way of starting, of course, is to start with a toy drone. A toy drone that's that small and incomprehensible to the authorities that it isn't covered by any of the regulations. Also, it doesn't need to be too expensive. If I break it, I don't want to lose a lot. So, let's look at a cheap indoor drone, and we've got one here. It's the Snaptain H823H mini drone. In the UK, it costs around about £27 delivered. So we're not talking about a big investment here. Now, if we were to unbox it, the good thing about this particular mini drone is that it's got a controller with all the sorts of buttons and sorts of activities that you would expect to find in a full-size drone. And it actually flies. There it is. It doesn't have a camera, by the way, but what we're talking about here is really having a little bash at flying and see how we get on. There's an internal battery, lasts about 5 minutes, so and this will hover, it will return to home, it will flip, it will do all the sorts of things that you would expect a full-size drone to do, but for £27, not bad. Now, one of the other things that it does is you have to pair up our controller with the drone like you do in all the big ones, and there's an element of calibration. In this particular drone, and it's basically telling me it's calibrated. So that didn't take long, did it? Let's see if it works. Oh yes, it does. One button takeoff and one button landing. Isn't that good? So, what else do we get with our mini drone? We've got a controller. We had to put a few AAA batteries in there. Internal battery in our mini drone itself. So we have a USB lead that we use to recharge the beast. Plug it in, it recharges. Takes, I suppose, 30 or 40 minutes to recharge. Not a long time. An instruction manual. 4 spare rotor blades and a screwdriver to enable us to do a little bit of maintenance, and also handy to undo the back to get batteries in. That's what we get, £27. We get a lot of fun out of it. It is a lot of fun to fly this mini drone, and it's quite stable indoors. Additionally, of course, it will teach you the basics of manually flying a drone. I hope this helps. In the next one, we'll go a stage up to an indoor outdoor drone. See how much they cost, see what the difference is. Bye for now.